So in today's video, we will be teaching you a step-by-step complete guide on how you can set up, register, and then set up your Binance account, right? So without wasting time, we'll just jump right in. It will be exciting, guys. So first of all, you locate, okay, this is the interface of a newly downloaded Binance from Play Store. Or if you are using an iPhone, you can go to your Apple app iStore and then you can download your Binance there, right? So you just click on Binance to just come up, right? So that is just that, then you install. So you click on sign up / login here. So you will be given an interface whereby you will see welcome to Binance, input email or phone number. So you can either create your account with either an email or a phone number, or if you're using if your Google your Google account is set up in your phone, you can actually use it like or click continue with Google. But for me, I sometimes, if you know that your Google is not really like set up well or has this kind of heavy or maximum security, I don't think you should use your Google, because sometimes it can be prone to hacking and so much risk, especially if you have your resources in your Binance, right? So it is important to just go with your email. As for me, that's what I would recommend. Creating an account, I agree to Binance terms of service and privacy policy. So I click on next. So guys, an interface is now opened where it says verify your emails. So guys, the reason why you could not see me like changing pages is because I'm using two phones. So I'm having my email showing up on the other phone, so I'll just impute it. So already and then an interface showing where I will create a password. So guys, the create password interface is like popped up. So what I'm gonna do now is to insert a password. So you have to be very careful, guys. They said that the password characters must be from 8 to 128, at least one number and one uppercase. For those of us in Nigeria, an uppercase simply means a capital letter. So that is just that. This password that I've put in is at least 8 characters. A whole number was included and an uppercase was included. So I'll click on next. So guys, I've logged in, right? My password is created and I've logged in now. So this is the interface for my newly created Binance account, right? So what we're going to do now is, if you see sign up is ticked good up here at the top right corner, and then verification now is the next on the list, right? So after verification, then the last one is deposit at the top left corner, right? So what we're going to do now is to go ahead and verify our identity. So I click on it, it will load, it's loading, right? So this is the user. If I want, I will go and change the user and put my name, right? So complete identity verification, so get verified. These are the the frequently asked questions for identity verification. For those who don't really know what they don't want to make unnecessary mistakes, so what they can do is to click on this FAQ. Understand there are so many questions around the FAQ. Let's just click it so that for the sake of those who might want to know a little bit about the verification before going in. So these are articles related to it. So questions like, why do I need to complete identity verification? Of course you need it because it helps you for simple things like deposit or trading, right? For you to trade, you need to be verified. They need to know that, okay, this is who we are dealing with, so that to minimize risk on others, right? So that's just that, and it's also part of their guidelines. So you can't really operate on Binance without being verified, right? So many things how to complete identity verification process for a personal account. So I think the video here is answering these questions currently. So it opens the interface for us. So residency, let's get you verified Nigeria as residency. So these are the 3 things you need, you understand, for you to get verified on Binance: personal information, government issued ID, document, liveliness, check, right? So click on continue. Click continue. So guys, in this personal information, I'll click on Nigeria, and then I'll input my first name, middle name, and last name, right? So, and then my date of birth. My date of birth is that's just it, guys. So home address, so that's that, guys. So this is the document verification, right? So verification for the document, I either use a BVN, that's for your bank, or you can use your national identity card. So I would rather go with BVN because it's faster. They're verifying using my own BVN. So guys, from here, I think this is the last stage of the verification, right? So I'll have to off my camera for the liveliness check. I'm sorry about that. For a medium Binance account, right? So that is just that, guys. When you do that, when you reach this point, that means your BVN, every document, every information I've put in my personal distance, it has been correlated with my BVN, right? So that's with my BVN information. So what they now want is for my picture to correlate with my own picture in my BVN. So that is just, and immediately they've done that, they will now verify me, verification successful, and then I'll have at least a medium Binance account set up, so that at least I can be able to transact maximum of $10,000 a day, which is very good, you understand, for a new account in Binance. So guys, that's just that for setting up a Binance account, from downloading to what verification. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. We'll be coming up with how to deposit on Binance successfully. If you enjoyed this video, guys, like, subscribe, and share our content so that we'll do more and be encouraged to do more next time. So until we meet next time, guys, take care of yourself. Have a nice day.